Hello everyone, this is me, Labiba Tasnim, and right now I'm going to tell you about mental health. So what is mental health? Mental health is a state of well-being that an individual has when he or she can understand his or her abilities, can work more fruitfully and productively, and most importantly, can cope up with the stress of life. And the signs for which you might have good mental health are when you feel contented, when you are really enjoying your life, and when you can cope up with the drowsiness of your daily life. It means that you have good mental health. But unfortunately, in our society and even in our families, this mental health is neglected. But I don't know that why don't they understand that it's our brain which gives commands to our body. So if our brain is not functioning well, then our body will not function well. And that is why it is very important to concentrate on mental health. And most people think that if they go to a therapist for improving their mental health, it means that they are mad. But it's a complete misconception. When you go to a therapist for improving your mental health, it means that you are courageous to improve your mental health and you want to live a better life. So now let me tell you about the factors related to mental health. When a person does not have good mental health, the person suffers from depression. And depression is the only one reason for which there are many suicides in our country. Depression is not common among the adults only. Even the kids and teenagers might face depression, and often the depression is neglected. The depressed people are not given good consultation at the right time, for which they are ready to destroy their life. They feel like they don't want to live anymore. But life is beautiful and you have to enjoy it. And now I'm going to tell you about emotional intelligence, which is also related to mental health. So, emotional intelligence is how you control your emotions, and there are some factors related to emotional intelligence, which are firstly empathy, which is the feeling that you feel from another person's perspective. But there is a difference between sympathy and empathy, because sympathy is when you just feel it, but empathy is when you just do it. You maybe help them or console them like this. And next comes self-awareness, which is how much aware you are about yourself, like how much you understand your abilities and the purpose of living. And nextly, we have self-regulation. It basically means how you are regulating your life, how you are managing and dealing with all the stress of your life. And then we have social skills, which is very important in this modern life. But many people think that it is not necessary to interact with people. But as a social being, we have some responsibilities to our society. And it is our responsibility to interact with people. And it also helps us to improve our mental health. Because when we make friends and when we share our problems and stress with them, it gets decreased and we feel a bit relieved. And sometimes we can also find solutions to our problems. And nextly, it comes motivation, which is the most important part of my speech. Motivation is the inspiration that you gain from someone. My motivation came from Mother Teresa and Greta Thunberg and a lot of people. And it's very important that you have motivation in your life. You all might have heard a song that give me some sunshine, give me some rain, give me another chance, I want to grow up once again. So this song demonstrates that as a plant needs sunlight and water to grow, as a human being, we need motivation to grow. And motivation is very important because this is the only key to success. On a summary, I'd like to tell that you all must follow the 3 rules of life which will lead you to success, which is dream, believe, and achieve. Dream as vast as the sky. Believe that nothing is impossible. You can turn impossible to possible. And achieve anything that you want to achieve, what your dream is. So dream big, work hard, and remember that life is an ice cream. and enjoy it before it melts. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the English Olympiad channel. Thank you all for your patience. Have a great day. Bye.